Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
To help guide you on this install video, we are removing the engine cover and injector covers to show the common rail. You do not need to do this when installing. You can now see the common rail. The rail sensor is located at the far end of the common rail, pointing towards the back of the vehicle. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. The boost sensor is also located at the back of the engine, to the right of the rail sensor. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. If you have any questions, please contact us.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.